Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to be making car sounds. Guess what, guys? I got even mufflers, cards, everything, so. Ooh, be, ooh, be, ooh, be, 12 valve Cummins. And then brake. Thermax. Leaf blow. Weed eater. On my Harley Davidson. I'll see you guys next time. I know I haven't been posting videos, but can you please subscribe at least and like this video? I'm very lonely, so yeah. Bye. Like and subscribe. I'll post Monday, next Monday. So after Sunday is Monday when I post. So I only go back after Monday to school Tuesday. So hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Peace out.